KSI series of indoor LED spherical displays offers a groundbreaking solution for brands seeking differentiated visual expression. It completely transcends the limitations of traditional flat panel displays. Thanks to its unique spherical structure, it delivers a full 360-degree panoramic viewing experience, allowing audiences to enjoy fluid, distortion-free images and video content from any angle. This immersive visual medium not only instantly captures audience attention, but also infuses a sense of technological sophistication and memorability into a brand's image. The product boasts exceptional adaptability to various environments. It supports a wide range of installation methods, including pedestal mounting, suspension, and recessed integration, allowing it to flexibly adapt to diverse spatial structures. In terms of customization, KSI series offers spherical diameters ranging from a minimum of 0.3 meters to a maximum of 17 meters. Pixel pitch can also be adjusted on demand to meet the specific visual fidelity requirements of applications ranging from intricate window displays to large-scale architectural landmarks. Renowned for its outstanding visual performance, the LED spherical display has found widespread application in advertising, promotional events, and entertainment venues. Businesses utilize this innovative medium to create high-impact interactive content, thereby enhancing the buzzworthiness and communicative power of their brand messaging.